Today's topic is the computer graphics. Okay, basically the computer graphics means we represent the particular theoretical information in the form of some graphics. Means we have to view that things with the help of some computer system or any output devices through which we have to show the particular contents which is in the form of graphics. So basically the graphics is the subfield of the computer science which studies the methods to digitalize the or we can represent the information in terms of graphics or the particular graphical formats. Means we represent in the pictorial representation of the any content which is visible to the another user. Basically it having different formats. For example, if we represent the graphics in the form of two-dimensional object or three-dimensional, so whenever we see the particular uh, image which having the two axes, for example x axis and y axis, then we have to represent the particular object in the 2D form, means two dimensional. If we consider the three axis x, y and z to represent the particular picture or the graphics which is called as a three-dimensional object. So three-dimensional object is required to represent the content for movie. Okay, then the computer graphics having represent the things with the help of two parameters, raster format and particular vector format. So what is mean by the raster format? Basically the raster format composed of the pixels through which we have to represent the particular thing. Means whenever we use the raster concept to represent the picture, it is the combination of pixels. Basically, pixel means the single addressable point on the screen. If we consider this is your computer screen and the single point is represent the pixel, which having the two coordinate, x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, this is considered as a raster display or the raster scan. Next one is a vector scan. So basically the vector is in the form of or it is composed in the form of path. Means whenever we have to use the path to represent the object. For example, if we follow the line by line, then we have to again shift to the next line and follow the next route of the particular screen. This is the vector format to represent the graphics. Next concept is the raster image are more commonly called the bitmap image because we have to use the bits to represent the particular image. Means we have to use the particular pixel as a bit. So it is called as a bitmap image. And bitmap image is used basically the grid individual pixels where the pixels can be a different colors or the different shades. For example, if we want to display the particular tree on the screen which having the different shades of green color, so whenever we have to display that tree color, we can assign some pixel having the different color of the green and some having the parrot color. So every pixel having the different color, so we can easily access or easily give the particular bitmap image with the help of some color shades which is allocated to that particular pixel. Means whenever we have to assign the color to that pixel, there is a function to represent the pixel color. Put pixel having the function through which we have to plot that pixel. So there is a different applications of the computer graphics. For example, we can use the computer graphics for the digital art. So for video games, for visual effects, we have to use the computer graphics.